Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. First of all, Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you have a safe and a wonderful holiday with your family. Getting into crypto, you guys know in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is doing some numbers to reclaim its position as the best crypto in the entire world. Now, last 48 hours, you might have noticed that most of the altcoins were up about 5 to 7%, while Bitcoin was struggling to stay over the price of 94,000. Well, that caused a lot of whales to be very optimistic about the Bitcoin price, and the price pumped about 4 to 5% just in the last 24 hours, reclaiming close to 99,000. This is really exciting because if you look at the fear to the grid index, you'll realize that it's still sitting in the center while Bitcoin is at 99,000. So there's definitely a lot of room for growth. Even if we make it to 80, you guys know that Bitcoin is going to be breaking its all-time high and maybe setting close to 130,000. There are some whales which are deciding to manipulate the market when it comes to Dogecoin, and this should give you perspective why the market is taking a little bit longer to reclaim 36 cents. At the same time, whales bought about 270 million Dogecoin in the last 3 to 4 days. Crypto adoption boom worldwide following Donald Trump's re-election, and crypto ETF in 2025. Which one are we going to be seeing? Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just tap the YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the dynamics of the overall crypto market right now. If you look at Dogecoin, you'll realize that it's actually doing pretty well. It was able to hold and consolidate around 32 cents. As I mentioned, if we're able to stay there, there is a lot of chance for the Dogecoin market to climb even higher. And that's exactly what's happening right now. But still, I am not super confident until Dogecoin is able to cross 36 cents. Which does not seem too far, because 30 cents was the previous resistance that's going to be playing a very crucial role. And you guys can see Tesla was up another 7% today, definitely setting some big numbers, and USD is also climbing very fast. One thing that's important for you to understand is Doge market is doing well, but we do not want to get rejected close to 35 cents. If that does happen before the end of 2024, we could see a 32 cents Dogecoin again, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys do not want to see. The open interest is still sitting very stagnant around 1.7 billion, as the traders are deciding to make a decision in terms of what direction they want to push up the market, and the long to the short ratio is still sitting stagnant around 75 to 25%. Now, this whale is the reason why I was saying it's extremely hard for the Dogecoin price to go up right now. Now, you can see on the 21st of December, they decided to purchase about $150 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 31.2, and then straight after 31.8 sold about 63 million. So that should give you perspective how they're pretty much trying to manipulate the market to get people more optimized in terms of, oh, the market's going to start climbing. As more people buy, they're going to sell. So that's going to cause the consolidation. And this is not the only one that I've been paying attention to. This is another one that's much actually recent. You can see on the 22nd and 23rd, in total, they purchased about $12 million worth of Doge, and the price went up, you can say 0.7 cents. And they sold 11 million. So there's definitely that consolidation that most of these whales are trying to ride the wave of, and that can be seen by this as well, as a lot of whales are buying Dogecoin in the last 4 days. 270 million. And crypto adoption boom worldwide following the Donald Trump's re-election. I mean, crypto adoption among users aged 18 to 25 rose by 700%, fueled by the optimism and the pro-Bitcoin stance from our boy Trump. And crypto ETPs in Europe grew by 6 billion since November, with UK ownership rising to 12%. So that's definitely Trump's reason, or you can say Trump is the reason why all of this happened. In a recent survey by Binance involving 20,000 participants around the whole entire world revealed 45% of the respondents had entered the crypto market in 2024. that's a lot of people that are new than actually entering the crypto market. And you guys can see the Gen Z's growing dynamics. 110,000 new people entered the crypto market in November after Trump, about nearly 900,000. So that's a lot of new eyeballs which are coming into the crypto market, and the recent pushback is definitely going to be eaten up by a lot of these investors. And crypto ETF in 2025, what's to come for Solana, XRP, Doge? And you guys can see crypto ETF surged in 2024 with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading, and Solana, XRP, Dogecoin Trump's presidency and pro-crypto SEC chairman may ease the regulatory hurdles, boosting the ETF approvals. And the more approvals that are going to be coming out for different coins, it's going to be actually impacting the entire market in a positive way. And the accumulation trend score indicates a strong buying interest in the Bitcoin market, which we can clearly see is starting to increase. And the number of wallets holding over 1 million Dogecoin has reached its all-time high right now, which is very, very good to ensure that the market keeps climbing. And Dogecoin faces a possible stagnant as the open interest declines and key support levels struggle to hold. Let me tell you one thing, the way the market is moving right now, it's actually going to be extremely hard to predict, because unless we are able to get into a positive trend, I'm talking about Dogecoin specifically, which is breaking above 36 cents, it's still a chance that we might be actually going into a consolidation zone, and then we might see a little bit of fear from the long-term holders. So just be a little bit more careful, especially if you guys are going to be leverage trading. That's the only reason I like to tell you guys be careful, because places like MicroStrategy calls their shareholder meeting to fund more Bitcoin purchases. They've already purchased about $500 million worth of Bitcoin when the price dropped to 92K, and now they want to buy even more before the Bitcoin price climbs. And on the other end, Robinhood CEO says no to Bitcoin as strategic asset. So these are two companies which are holding very different perspectives. Now Robinhood is making a lot of their money through crypto, and then them saying something like this actually is off the charts. And world's greatest angel investor warns that MicroStrategy is buying up too much Bitcoin. If they get too much control of how much Bitcoin they hold, they also get control of the price action. And if the price action is being controlled by one single entity, it's going to become more centralized, and it's not going to be as controlled by the manipulation of the whole market. An Israeli institution to launch a Bitcoin tracking funds. This is huge because the funds will enable Israeli public to invest in Bitcoin, and the price of Bitcoin has risen by 100% this year. They want to ensure that their public is able to do more. So more and more countries getting involved with crypto. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Have a great day, and I'll see you very soon.